Investing in Amazon, Nasdaq, AMZN, earns money through stock price appreciation and dividends. None currently, all profits reinvested. As of 2025, AMZN trades $180 to $220 per share with a 2T plus market cap. Buy via brokerage accounts, minimum $1 via fractional shares. Long-term returns, around 15% CAGR since 2000. Takes 10 to 20 minutes to start. Open a brokerage account. Use Robinhood, Fidelity, or E-Trade, free. Sign up with email, SSN, and bank details. Verify ID 1 to 3 days. Fund via ACH, $0 fees. Research Amazon. Check Yahoo. Finance or Amazon.com/IR for earnings. PE, around 40, and AWS growth. Use analyst targets. For example, $250 per share. Buy shares. Search AMZN in the app. Choose Buy. Enter dollars shares, like $500 for 2 shares. Select market or limit order. Confirm. No commissions on most platforms. Earn money. Capital gains. Sell when price rises. For example, $180 to $250 equals 39% profit. Reinvest. Enable DRIP, dividend reinvestment, if dividends start. Options and ETFs. Advanced. Buy calls or ARKK holds AMZN. Monitor and sell. Track in-app. Set alerts. Sell via trade. Sell for profits. Taxed 0 to 20% long-term. Tips. Invest only what you can lose. Diversify. Use dollar cost averaging, $100 per month. Long-term hold, 5+ years, beats timing. Contact broker support for issues.